Okay, let's learn. Just keep falling, or adrenaline. 32 counts, 4 walls. There is one tag after wall 10 while you're facing the 9 o'clock wall. And it's a 4-count tag. And it's stomp, hold, right, left. That's it. So it's stomp, hold, right, left, then we start again. It's just a 4-count tag. Okay, here's the 32 counts. We start with a grapevine on our right foot, going to the right, right behind, step, touch, step, point right, step, point left. Left foot's free, grapevine to the left. Left, behind, left, touch. Right foot does a half turn and a quarter turn. Half turn, pivot, and a quarter pivot. Then we do step, point, cross, point, a modified jazz box. So cross, step, back, slide to the right, ending with weight on left, because then we do a step, slide, and a toe, and a toe, and a heel, and then we start again. Okay, let's review those. So grapevine to the right, right, left behind, right, touch, left, step left, point, right in front, step right, point, left in front. Left grapevine with a touch and a half pivot and a quarter pivot, cross, point, point, modified jazz box. And slide back, slide, touch, toe, and heel, and. Okay, with counts, 32 counts from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And a 4-count tag. Okay, up to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That's it. That's Just Keep Falling. 32 steps, 1 4-count tag. Enjoy. Bye.